Hola, this is grammar lesson number 1 for chapter 9, and it corresponds with page 3 of your notes packet for chapter 9. And we're going to be talking about numbers over 100. So we're going to start out by talking about the number 100 to begin with, which is cien. That should be a review for us. Now, once you get past that number cien, when you're counting, that word changes to ciento. So we have cien, ciento uno, ciento dos, ciento tres, all the way through 199. Okay, so you see a couple of examples there, but change cien to ciento once you start counting from there. Then really we get to the rest of the hundreds. And really working with these numbers are pretty easy. You just need to know what the numbers for 200, 300, 400 are. Okay, so we're going to start out with doscientos, trescientos, cuatrocientos, quinientos. So that one you have to make a note of. It's a little different. Quinientos, seiscientos, setecientos, ochocientos, and novecientos. Okay, you notice that it does tell you that there are feminine forms of this. So if I'm describing an item, for instance, I have 200 shirts. It's doscientas camisas, because camisas is feminine. The number, the hundreds number, might end with an AS instead of an OS. And the two examples at the bottom of the screen can help you out with that one as well. All right, so really that takes us up to the number 1,000. Okay, the number 1,000 is mil. So mil is 1,000. So mil, 1100, 1,100. 1,250, okay, 1,250. Millón is 1 million. Okay, so mil and millón. Now, if you have more than 1,000, you want to say thousands of something. Okay, that word is miles. Okay, so really just 3 words here: mil, millón, and miles. Okay, and you see, quite a few examples here: mil dólares, 3,000, dos mil, 4,000. Okay, you can keep counting in the thousands from there. But if I want to say thousands of, miles de. So miles de personas is an example. 1 millón, 2 millones, 3 millones. That becomes plural like you would normally expect it to. Add an ES to millón. All right, your very last point is just kind of a little grammar note when you're writing, is that Spanish speakers tend to switch commas and periods when they're writing numbers. Okay, so anytime we would put a comma to represent 1,000 in English, that's usually represented by a period. Whenever we use a decimal point, that's usually represented by a comma. So just kind of be aware of that switch. All right, that's all we need to know for now. I'm going to go through lots more examples in class. Gracias, adios.